guys, this is Zara here from Purse Hunters. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox a Dior bag. It comes in a pretty package like this, and the color is very pretty. She comes in a dust bag like this. I love this dust bag with a swan, you know, and it says Dior over here. Very pretty. There's their signature bag that Lady Dior usually come in, and also sometimes it comes large Dior golden letters at front. Anyway, so here is the bag. I love the color because it's like a muted green color, and it's super versatile. You can wear it with any type of neutral outfit, and the gold complements this color in amazing way. So the bag is in like flawless, excellent condition. This is lambskin, by the way. And I wanted to show you the strap that it comes with. So there's two options that you can get from the stores that they have personalized. It calls my ABC Lady Dior, and you can put the charms that you want, and these charms are also removable, and you can change them, you can purchase them. So the strap is adjustable over here. It doesn't give you too much room to adjust it, but still, you know, you can pull it up. You still have one punched hole here, or you know, you have one punched hole also on the top, so if you want it to be longer. And well, that's pretty much it. That's the whole strap. So this part usually goes to the front like this, and then your back, it's somewhere in, you know, in your abdominal area, at least in my case. The bag itself, we have Dior charms over here, and we have gold hardware. We have rings that holds the handles, and we have a flap on the top. Small bags that all come with flap. Unlike medium, older ones, they come with a zip, and also older, large, medium, the Dior comes with a zip. Then we have one big compartment here that it's usually fabric lined. In newer versions of medium bags, I'm not sure about the small ones, they are suede lined. And we have one zipper pocket here. So this bag also comes with card. Yeah, it does. We just removed it. It comes with a card. Card has to be stamped by the boutique, but if it's not, because sometimes they forget to stamp it, that is also okay. And I love this bag. I love Lady Dior. I feel like it's one of the classics, and you know, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's gonna stay on the top of Dior line forever, because there's no literally bag that can replace Lady Dior. So it's definitely worth in purchasing. In this bag, you can fit the biggest phone, like those Galaxy phones. It fits here. In a mini, you cannot fit that phone. And besides that phone, I mean, you can have many things, you know, that fits here, like your card holder, your small cosmetic pouch, or lipstick, mirror, car keys, small hand sanitizer, probably like few more small items you can put in this bag. It's not heavy. It's a very comfortable weight to carry on the crook of your arm, or if you want as a crossbody. And it's just, I don't know, I mean, I love this size. I also love mini because mini is just so cute, but this size is great also for everyday use, and also this size is great for like a night out or a wedding or any type of event, because it looks tiny, it looks elegant, and it just looks, you know, amazing. Another thing that I would like to mention, I love that fact about Lady Dior, that it was named after Lady Diana. So I would like to also like give you just a tiny like a history about this bag, history behind this bag. It was created in 1994 by Gianfranco Ferré, and the original name of this bag was Cho Cho, I believe, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And then it got later renamed to Princess. And after it became one of the favorite bags of Lady Diana, they named the bag Lady Dior. I love like like a little history behind the bag because personally, when I buy something that uh, it's by a big fashion brand, and especially the fashion brand that has been there for a very long time, like Hermes or Chanel. I'd like to know the story behind it, and it always amazes me for for how long this brand has been out there, for how many things that it survived, and it's still like there shining and making us happy with their new creations. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, as usual, you can ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.